Good morning, YouTube. I'm going to do a simple hack cleaning Alex and Annie bracelets that have tarnish. These are about 2 years old and I'm getting some tarnishing. So I'm going to use a simple hack using palmolive oxy, dishwashing liquid, and ketchup. Don't have a lot, but I'm going to use it. The toothbrush. First, I'm going to clean my bracelets with the oxy, a dime size, lukewarm water, and a toothbrush. I'm going to scrub for about 3 minutes or less, maybe 2, depending on how dirty and oily your bracelets are. So I'm just going to pause the video until I finish scrubbing lightly with a soft toothbrush and the palmolive oxy. Okay, so I just finished scrubbing, maybe like 2 minutes, getting the oils off of the bracelets, not being very abrasive, just like my toothbrush is soft. They're not yet all the way clean. After this, I'm going to rinse them again with lukewarm water, place them on a dry napkin. They're still tarnished, so don't expect much after cleaning with the dishwashing liquid. Take off a little bit, place them on the napkin, dab dry. I'm going to pause the video so I can move to the next step. Okay, so I just finished drying off my bracelets. See the tarnish there still after cleaning with the oxy. I'm going to place them on a paper plate, and I am going to cover with ketchup. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, making sure that all areas are covered. You can use more ketchup because I don't have a lot. I am just going to make sure that everything is covered. I'm sure the properties in the ketchup, the vinegar, is gonna help with the tarnishing, tarnish removal. So I will let that sit for 10 minutes and come back and let you know how it turns out. So both bracelets are soaking in the ketchup, fully covered. It doesn't matter the brand of ketchup as well, just so you know. It can be ketchup from the dollar store, any brand, any type. Okay, so I've let the bracelet soak for about 10 minutes in the ketchup. I'm gonna take them out and rinse this. So they're all rinsed up. I'm gonna dive in with the dry paper towel. See what my results are. Okay, so I have dried the bracelets. Overall, yes, it did remove some of the tarnishing, but I still have some of the darkness, but these bracelets did come a little dark around the charm, but this one did really well. Would I do it again? Yes. Okay, that's all I have. So overall, yes, it did get the tarnishing off. Maybe I'll have to just sit and polish it a little bit with the dry towel. I'll put the instructions below the video. Thanks.